Hello, in this video I want to show you how to open and fix back the dancing robot toy. We basically faced two problems with this toy. One is the on-off switch was loose, it went inside the toy. We were not able to operate it. The second one is the volume of the song was too high and unbearable. So this is the switch I was talking about. This went fully inside, we were not able to switch it on also. So I already repaired it, you are seeing it after repair. Anyway, I am going to show you how to open this toy. First remove the battery compartment cover. Then remove the batteries. Now we have to remove 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The most critical part is there is a screw on this side, there is none on that side. So you have to remember the screw is on this side. So if you observe from the front side, the screw is on the left hand side of the robot. So the moment you remove those 7 screws, you can open the front cover like this. The front side will come out like this. Then you can remove these 4 screws. So once you remove the 4 screws, you can take out the top plate. These clips attach to the arms. These teeth attach to the gears. Now we have to remove this screw, this screw, this screw, this screw, this one and this one. Remove total 6 screws. So I removed all the 6 screws. Now I am taking out the mechanism. This is the switch part. There were no screws earlier. I fixed it with screws. I do not know how it was sitting there earlier. Probably they had put some glue. So this is the 27 ohms resistor I have used. The volume was too high. I had to use 27 ohms in series with the speakers. Now fix the mechanism back by fixing these 6 screws. Now fix the upper plate. Now attach to the arms. Attach to the legs. Make sure legs and arms are moving freely. Fix the upper plate by fixing the 4 screws. Fix the batteries. Now hold it in the middle, otherwise the mechanisms will move. Now fix the upper cover also with those 7 screws, and then fix the battery compartment. Switch on and test again just to be sure.